Hi! In front of me is OUKITEL WP20 and today I would like to show you how you can operate voice recorder. Begin by locating Recorder app and clicking on it. Now to start recording, click on this red button at the bottom in the middle. If you never used Recorder before, make sure to tap on Allow in all available pop-ups. As you can see, recording is on. To pause it or unpause it, use the same middle button. To delete it right away, click on this left one and confirm your choice in the pop-up. And to end it and save it, click on this right one. Now you can name your recording however you want to and click on Save. To access list of all your recordings, click on those three lines at the bottom right corner. As you can see, mine is over here. To play it, click on it. To delete it, you need to hold it instead. And tap on Delete option in the pop-up. Lastly, confirm your choice in the second one. You can also, before recording, click on this gear at the bottom left corner and manage all of those options however you want to. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!